And ran out of my 15-minute limit. So I got to finish this up on a second video. I apologize. So characteristics of my community. Income is a big one. Parents in the home, that is a big one for every single school and community. I do believe we are about, it's unfortunate, but we don't have a lot of two-parent households where I teach, and talking about their experiences. You can definitely tell that there are differences between two-parent households and one-parent household. Foster families, there's a lot of foster children that we have in this school, and immigrants in the, we have a lot of Mexican people that come to Solomon, which is a good thing. We have a large corporation that's located that centralizes here in Solomon called Solomon Corp, and we have many people of ethnic groups that work there. So their children coming in and integrating into the school has been a beneficial thing as far as to have that cultural diversity. These are the main two characteristics in my school. So how will I use this information to benefit my workplace? Problem solving teams with cultural diversity. I was thinking about these two things about that. These cultural diversity teams get people from all walks of life that work together and their colleagues. Like I said, number two, using colleagues for advice on children with similar backgrounds. Um, a lot of kids come to school with baggage. Everybody knows that. And we don't know what that baggage is. But if you can kind of get an idea of what they're going through and find a person who's been through that and work together as a team with the cultural diversity, with people with different experiences to figure out what's the best option for that child would be a great thing. Also, you can look at different decisions that need to be made throughout the school. And if you get people from all walks of life and with different, again, I keep saying it, but puzzles that build up a person, you could solve those problems throughout the school with a different viewpoint and with probably a better solution than a single sole person making those decisions. These are my correlation and relevance and personal reflection. We're correlated because the assignment correlated with the learning objective by having us evaluate, design, cultivate, and advocate for supportive and inclusive school culture. This assignment had us look with an overview perspective of how cultural diversity is important in everyday life decisions. And this assignment was relevant to the standard because it directly relates to my workplace and community. It is important to know how to gain perspective when it comes to racial and cultural diversity for the benefit of all children and people who work here alike in community. My reflection here, I was just thinking, I talked a little bit about that on a previous slide, but a lot of people say diversity, but if people actually, instead of thinking more towards racial and gender diversity, actually looking at people who had different experiences and putting them into one workplace, it would, the only thing that that could come out of it would be beneficial. Only thing that could come out of that sort of conversation would be beneficial for relationships and businesses and schools. So anyway, sorry about the long video. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to starting another round of classes. Have a good one. Bye.